Magandang hapon po ng February 15, 2025 Saturday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng February 15, 2025 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 5 PM draw ng 2D Lotto. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Saturday, February 15, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Saturday, February 15, 2025. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates for Grand Lotto 655 and Lotto 642 for Saturday, February 15, 2025. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for February 15, 2025, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.